In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save Canva presentation to PowerPoint. If you have been working in Canva and you need your slides in PowerPoint, you are in the right place. This process is helpful when you want to edit the presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint, when you need to share it with someone who uses PowerPoint, or when you are preparing a version that looks consistent on different devices. First, open the presentation you want to export in Canva. Then, click the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Under File Type, choose pptx Microsoft PowerPoint document. Finally, click Download and wait for Canva to generate your file. Once the download is complete, you can use the exported file in your PowerPoint workflow or share it as needed. And that's all there is to exporting your Canva presentation.